We thank Texas Instrument for giving these wonderful opportunities. Our semi-final presentation is video submission business for business model is here. Our project title is Gas Eye. Our team members are M. Arunachalam, K. Ashwinraj, P. Clinton, R. Darwin, R. James Susan, V. Masanam, Alex Tadikaran. Our faculty member is Dr. C. Prema. She is assistant professor of our college. Product pricing MSP 430 G2 ET. In Indian money, we have listed the price here 740. Load cell 250. LPG gas sensor 500. Gas module 1500. Buzzer 210. Relay 330. Total 3530 rupees. Product differentiation. Our product is totally different from the existing models. We have proposed design by using MSP430 kit. MQC6 sensor is get connected with this kit. It helps to detect the gas level and it helps to detect the gas leakage of the cylinder. A relay is get connected with the MSP430, which is used to cut off the main power supply of the home. Product awareness strategy. Is there is a sizable market for our product? Yes, our product can be able to play a main role in the sizable market because it helps to get the information easily and provide more safety to the humans. Mostly preferred for our project is homemaker and industrialist. Will there be a key external dependency that will determine the success or failure of the venture? Yes, we need a key external dependency. How easy it is convert the idea into a venture? It is not quite easy for us, but to convert the idea into venture, we have get reference by many stops and design the project. Can the innovation be protected or mentioned? Yes. Our product can monitor the real-time value and protect the home and individual appliances. It is proposed product unique or innovative. Our project is unique from other ideas and our project can lead a safe life to human. Is the team aware will their potential customer is? Yes, we are aware of potential customer. We almost take more care on them. If there is any problem, we'll find it and clear and resolve the problem. Can they adapt for changing circumstance or new information easily? They want to get adapt to our project because of the new adaptation it will provide more safety to them and for their belongings. How does the team will make decision? When do they decide change course and the examples of the inclination to adopt? Government can able to make decisions for the inclination to adopt our project. Distribution channel selections. A large number of channels to make the decision initially for list the channels that are the more likely complement the needs to business needs of the suitable justification. Government can make decision for it. Government thinks about the change they bring the immediately and the government thinks about the system compulsory they can able to bring it for every home. Immediately the situation can change to get use our product. Engineering quality and completeness. Completing the function of product implemented as proposed initially, we have almost done we have done more than 25% and implemented in the design. We are ahead for next step in the project. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.